Here are the ingredients for one serving. Have a sweet potato. Cut the sweet potato in 3 centimeter width. Rest in salt water for 10 minutes. Gardenia fruit. Remove the shell off the gardenia fruit with your hands and cut in half. Place inside stock bag. In a pot, add drained sweet potatoes, the gardenia fruit, plenty of water, and sweet syrup from the chestnut. Heat. Once it has started to bubble, cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Remove from the heat when the potatoes are soft enough to pierce a skewer through. Take out the gardenia fruit. Take out the potatoes. Keep the water. While it is still warm, stir the water with a hand mixer. "40 grams of sugar. In a pot, add potatoes, a little bit of cooked water, and half of the sugar and heat on low heat. Knead with wooden spatula as you heat. Add in the rest of the sugar, mix. Salt. Once there is shine, add chestnuts, flavor with salt. Serve. Enjoy.